Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will explore how to redesigning the past and how old furniture becomes modern eco-art masterpieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Redesigning old furniture into modern eco-art is more than just a design trend. It's a powerful creative movement that bridges sustainability, art, and entrepreneurship into one meaningful practice. In a world where fast furniture and mass production dominate the market, there's a quiet revolution happening in workshops, garages, and creative studios everywhere. Makers and mindful creators are breathing new life into discarded pieces, proving that sustainability can be both elegant and profitable. The process of transforming an old, worn-out piece of furniture into a contemporary statement of eco-art is an act of respect for craftsmanship, for materials, and for the planet itself. Every scrape, crack, and weathered edge tells a story, and instead of concealing it, today's artisans choose to celebrate it, turning imperfections into points of beauty and character. This philosophy of design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about meaning. Redesigning old furniture is an invitation to slow down and reconnect with the essence of making, to create with intention rather than consume without thought. Modern eco-art, crafted from salvaged or repurposed furniture, challenges the idea that beauty must come from newness. It reminds us that true style is timeless, that a piece with history and soul can hold more emotional and financial value than something fresh off an assembly line. The modern maker sees opportunity where others see waste. A scratched table becomes a statement piece. An old cabinet transforms into a minimalist bookshelf, or a vintage chair finds new life with sustainable finishes and innovative design touches. This process honors the past while shaping the future, merging old-world craftsmanship with modern sensibilities. For homeowners, these reimagined pieces become more than decor. They become reflections of values and identity. A reclaimed wooden table with handcrafted legs speaks not only to one's sense of style, but also to a conscious choice, a commitment to mindful consumption and environmental care. These items tell a story of renewal, responsibility, and creativity. They resonate emotionally because they are real, born not from a factory mold, but from human hands and vision. In this sense, redesigning old furniture into modern eco-art is both a personal and collective movement, one that celebrates sustainability as a core of modern living rather than an afterthought. The entrepreneurial potential in this craft is equally profound. What began as a passion project for many artists has now evolved into a thriving niche market that caters to eco-conscious consumers willing to pay a premium for authenticity. As awareness of sustainability grows, so does the demand for products that balance luxury with responsibility. Modern homeowners are no longer just buying furniture, they're investing in values. A single repurposed dresser or table can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars when reimagined with care, creativity, and purpose. What makes this business model so appealing is that the raw material, old, unwanted furniture, is often free or inexpensive, creating wide profit margins for creators who blend design insight with sustainable practices. But beyond profit, what truly defines this movement is purpose. Redesigning old furniture is a statement, one that challenges the culture of disposability and celebrates endurance. It teaches us that restoration is not regression, it's renewal. The artistry lies not just in sanding, painting, or cutting wood, but in understanding its history, how to let the material speak, how to merge functionality with emotion. In doing so, makers are reclaiming more than just furniture. They're reclaiming the narrative of modern design itself. The shift from consumption to creation, from waste to wonder, mirrors the larger journey toward mindful living. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Every project holds its own rhythm, the sound of sanding against aged grain, the quiet focus as new forms emerge, the satisfaction of watching dull wood come alive again. This process becomes meditative, grounding, and deeply fulfilling. It's where craftsmanship meets mindfulness, where design meets storytelling. The tactile nature of wood, its warmth, weight, and texture, offers something no plastic or synthetic material ever could. It invites connection. When we choose to work with reclaimed or repurposed materials, we engage not only in creativity but also in conservation. We become part of a global solution that values preservation over production and artistry over excess. Modern ecoart furniture also aligns perfectly with the aesthetics of today's homes. The rise of biophilic design, which integrates natural materials and organic forms into interior spaces, has made reclaimed wood, aged finishes, and handmade details not just desirable but essential. A repurposed piece with raw edges and visible grain fits seamlessly into contemporary interiors that emphasize simplicity, calmness, and nature-inspired living. It's no longer about hiding the history of the material, it's about highlighting it. The blend of rustic charm and modern minimalism gives every creation an emotional depth that mass-produced decor lacks. The more sustainable and storied a piece feels, the more it becomes a focal point, a conversation starter, an heirloom in the making. For creators, this fusion of artistry and sustainability opens endless opportunities. It's not only about refurbishing old furniture, but also about reshaping narratives, turning forgotten fragments of wood into bold expressions of creativity and purpose. Makers are discovering that when they combine ecological consciousness with innovative design, their work resonates far beyond visual appeal. It connects with people's hearts. Consumers today crave authenticity. They want items that reflect craftsmanship, care, and consciousness. A reclaimed piece reimagined as modern ecoart embodies all three. It stands as proof that ethical design can still be exciting, luxurious, and profitable. In many ways, redesigning old furniture into modern ecoart represents the soul of a new design era, one where sustainability fuels innovation rather than limits it. It encourages creators to push boundaries, experiment with textures and finishes, and embrace imperfection as part of the story. It reminds us that creativity is not about having endless resources, but about using limited ones wisely. Each redesign becomes a small act of rebellion against waste, a declaration that beauty and sustainability can coexist harmoniously. Ultimately, this movement transforms how we live, create, and consume. It's about seeing potential where others see ruin, about understanding that sustainability isn't just a trend but a timeless principle. Through this craft, makers rediscover their connection to nature, their sense of purpose, and their role in shaping a more thoughtful future. And for homeowners, investing in ecoart furniture is more than a design choice. It's a way to align their living spaces with their values, surrounding themselves with pieces that carry meaning, history, and heart. Redesigning old furniture into modern ecoart is not merely an artistic pursuit. It's an evolution of consciousness. It's a bridge between the past and the future, a fusion of sustainability, creativity, and commerce. Perfect for modern homes and mindful creators alike, it proves that when we approach design with respect for both material and meaning, we craft more than decor, we craft legacy. In every reimagined table, chair, or frame lies a story of renewal, a story that whispers of where we've been and where we're headed. In the hands of those who see not waste but wonder, wood becomes eternal once more, beautiful, profitable, and profoundly human. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked redesign old furniture into profitable eco-masterpieces ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.